Hey, what's poppin'? It's your boy Jay the Comedian. I got a real treat today, y'all.
You can put me on there too.
You want to get on there?
Yeah.
This is my auntie Deirdre.
From Brooklyn, New York.
From Brooklyn, New York. With the stabbing utensils. Currently using it for the greens. Yeah. You know them greens gonna be good, right? You can look at her, you know that's gonna be good. My mama, not my mama, my kid's mama. She got the smokiness going on here. Don't really know what it is. I think it's turkey or something. And look at that. We teaching y'all how to do brisket today. Yes, sir. You see that? Right now, that's called the rub, you know? So she's rubbing the meat with the rub to season it, you know? If you heard anything else, your mind is nasty and you tripping. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how we do this, okay? Yeah. What did you use to make the rub, sweetie?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Salt.
Salt.
Cumin, garlic powder.
Cumin?
Cumin.
Cumin. I'm like, we ain't doing no cannibalism up in here. So you use some cumin. What? No cumin. Cumin.
Red pepper. Chili pepper.
And chili pepper.
Yeah.
And that's what we use to make the rub. And then we're gonna smoke this brisket. That's right. I'll show you what we're using to smoke it. All right? We're gonna smoke it like a blunt. Yeah, so that's right, y'all. We're gonna be cooking this brisket, and look what I'm using to cook it. She wants some brisket, but she can't get none. Because you don't appreciate it because you're a dog. I told myself I was going to be on a diet and not eat fucking brisket, but I also love myself, so fuck that diet. This is a Smoke Hollow electrical grill. Now, fair warning, I've never used this thing before, and I've definitely never cooked a brisket before. So there's a really good possibility this may just turn into a shit show, or I might get some good brisket up out of it. I don't know. Anyway, here's the pan. We chosen today to get some of that mesquite wood because they didn't have any of the, start with the H. Oh, I can't think of the name. But they ain't had any of it. So we got this. Yeah. So we throw that in the pan. Yeah. Yeah, let it cook for about 8-9 hours. You know what I mean? We got it cooking on 225. It's 222 right now, but we want it cooking at 225. Happy Thanksgiving, bitches. Most people cook turkey for Thanksgiving. We cook fat pieces of meat.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, y'all, it's time to take the brisket out.
Oh, it's at 194.
Oh, man, it's perfect. So we waited till it went to 194. You probably didn't see nothing because even the sun was like, it's taking too damn long. And it's ready now. Oh, I wish y'all could see it. I can't see it, so I know y'all can't see it. It's dark. I should have brought a light. I didn't. It's all good, though. Do you need any help, sweetie?
No, I think I got it.
My wife don't need me. Once again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's that brisket. This brisket, baby.
Maybe I do need y'all.
See?
On the bottom.
On the
bottom
bottom
of the pan.
On the bottom of the pan?
To hold the bottom up.
Hold the bottom of the pan. Yeah, that's the brisket. Look at that. It only took 9 hours to roast in the smoker. This is a 9-pound piece of brisket, about an hour per pound. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So this is about 1 day at work right here for this brisket. The smell is incredible. This brisket smells so good. You don't even know. Ain't that right, Auntie?
Yes. I want it now.
All right. Oh yeah. We got other stuff.
Yeah, I took that.
We got vegetables. But we here for the brisket though, right? Ain't nobody thinking about no vegetables. Look, the vegetables, they do look good. They look amazing.
They taste good too.
But that brisket though.
Yeah, look at
And
that.
that fried chicken. Look at that fried chicken.
And we got that.
It is Thanksgiving, so we were out to eat. I ain't shaved, took a shower, nothing. I just been cooking. You know what I mean? Well, they need to know. They need to know. On this channel, I give my fans all of me. Okay, time to cut it and see what we've got here. Look at that, look at that. Oh, that looks like something. That look like, look at the juice. Notice the juices. Oh yeah, it looks like we got something here. out. The video wasn't a fail. I said it could possibly be a fail. Looks like we didn't fail at all, people. Look at that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. The very quiet person cutting this is my beautiful, beautiful wife. Notice the humongous diamond on her finger. You know, she bling blowing around here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got that brisket. Oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you can make a brisket as good as ours. I doubt it, because we're amazing, but you can try, all right? Holla Chiguala, deuces.